today I'm going to be sharing with you a DIY that I did for mostly Dollar Tree products, and then some repurposed lids that I had from the Bath and Body Works store. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I did, just keep on watching. This is just a mirror that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. These old lids that I have from Bath and Body Works candles. So I am going to try something a little bit new. I'm going to use a little bit of white paint without taking this off or taping it off also. So this will be a little challenge for me, but let's see if I can pull this off. And I'm going to put a little bit of glitter. Mix this up. And this is just for texture. I don't know if it's going to show through fully, but that's okay if it doesn't. Okay, so let's see if this will work. So now I'm just going to be globbing this on a little bit so I can get some of that texture. I don't want it to run down into the mirror, so I'm trying to keep it toward me or toward the outside. I'm going to be using these mini craft sticks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so it should look something like this. So now that I have these circles all the way around, I am going to turn this over and reinforce with my popsicle sticks here, just because I want it to be as sturdy as possible. Alright, so I'm going to start to glue this down. I'm going to go in with these rhinestones that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Okay, so I'm just going to go in and cover up this part here with some Mod Podge because I want it to be a little bit more glossier, if that makes any sense. Hopefully that will work. So this is how it looks, and I think it looks gorgeous. Let me step back a little bit. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give this video a big huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.